What's going on? I'm Zashak here, and before I get into this video, now don't click away just yet. Before I get into this video, I just want to say thank you. Thank you guys for over 650 subscribers. Thank you for all the support. And honestly, I really give a shit about my videos. I really care about technology and the work I put in. And most importantly, I care about all 666 of you guys. Making videos, it's not easy. It takes countless hours. It takes countless, like so much time to put in the research and the editing, and then you have your full-time job and everything. But you know, I really care, and I just want to say thank you very much. And you know, if you want to see more content, keep on subscribing. So now that's out of the way, the OnePlus 6T is right around the corner, and they sent out invitations for their event in New York City, which is taking place on October 30th, which I'll be attending. But I'll show you guys what's in the box a little later. Let's talk about what we already know about this new and upcoming revolutionary phone. Now, this phone is real. It's been announced by OnePlus. It's on their website. This is happening. So let's point out the main fact here. That screen though. Now, this is what they call a teardrop notch or a teardrop bezel. Nothing like the Google Pixel 3, but it absolutely looks fabulous. Now, the Oppo R17 has an identical design, but that's a totally different phone. And its launch date is around November 28th, but not in the United States. But back to the 6T, it's a teardrop notch, making it a whopping 91.5% screen to body ratio with a full HD display, and that's pretty much insane. Now the back will have a matte or glass finish, but still no IPS rating and wireless charging. I guess this can be a little upsetting to some users like myself with no wireless charging, because that is something that does get utilized a lot. But they provide a dash charger, so basically it's not a deal breaker. Now again, no IPS rating, but the reason OnePlus didn't go along with this route because they find it a little useless to add a feature and charge more money for the phone, and it barely gets used by the users. To me, that makes sense, so I'm really not stressed that they kept this out. If it means for them to remove this feature and keep the phone cheap, I'm so with it. Now there is a removal of a headphone jack, but wait, just hold your horses because this sacrifice came with two gifts. First is a bigger battery. You're going from a 3300 to a 3700 milliamp hour battery, which to me is a significant upgrade. Second is the most popular and hyped feature, which would be a in-place fingerprint scanner. Now this does raise some concern to me. How often do I have to keep the display clean for the fingerprint scanner to work? Does it work with gloves? What about the fingerprints that are already on the display? Will that impact the phone to unlock by itself? Well, I guess we'll know when the phone comes out. Now you have a Snapdragon 845 chip powering this phone. The rumor has it that it may start with 8 gigs of RAM. I think it's 6, it could be 8, but who knows? Now enough about this phone, let's get back to the box I showed you in the beginning of the video. Now it's a magnetic tab to flip open the cover. It's kind of like a bookcase, and you right away see these two panels, one with a card and the other with a stand, and I'll explain more about that shortly. In the top right corner, it says unlock the speed, OnePlus 6T launch event. So for your own sake, you guys can pause the video and read the card. It's pretty interesting, so just take a look at it. So basically you get these set of glass cards in a randomized order, and you need to stack them in order to reveal a hidden message. Once done, you place the cards on the stand, and it pretty much looks something like this. You have a holographic pattern with text and shapes saying unlock the speed. It's really dope, and I love how OnePlus did this because they kept it really unique and interesting. The 6T is rumored to be $550 to $600, launching around November 6th, 1 week after the October 30th event in New York City, which I'll be attending. So I'll have my full review after that, so stay tuned for it. So that's all we have. And hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and finesse on that bell and subscribe button. Or you can like click on my face to subscribe, or check out my other content right here. And let's end it off with fun fact number 39. The word ketchup can be a Chinese word for pickled fish sauce. No comment right there. Thank you for watching. I'm Zashak. Stay tech strong and deuces.